Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Refersion for affiliate analytics, full guide step by step clearly. To connect with Refersion for affiliate analytics, begin by visiting the Refersion website. Create an account if you don't already have one. After logging into your account, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Settings tab in the main menu. Click on the Integrations option within the Settings menu. Search for the platform you want to connect with, such as Shopify or WooCommerce. Follow the prompts to install the required application or plugin for your e-commerce platform. Once the plugin is installed, return to the Refersion dashboard. In the dashboard, find the tracking section. Copy the tracking code provided by Refersion. Next, paste this tracking code into the appropriate section of your e-commerce site. Save the changes to ensure the tracking code is active. Return to the Refersion dashboard and select the Affiliates tab. Here, you can set up your affiliate program by creating commission structures. Customize your affiliate program settings according to your business needs. Invite affiliates by sharing your program link with potential partners. Once your affiliates start promoting your products, you can monitor their performance in the dashboard. Review analytics to track sales and conversions generated by each affiliate. Adjust your strategies based on the data to optimize your affiliate program. By following these steps, you will successfully connect with Refersion for comprehensive affiliate analytics. Now you can effectively manage and grow your affiliate marketing efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.